So hey guys, I'm back with a new video, but this time it's on Python. I think that Python is a little bit easier than Java because it has a simpler syntax. For example, in Java you have to write about 3 lines of coding to get an input from the user, but in Python you can see that only this line is for getting the input from the user. As you can see here, hello, please subscribe, please subscribe. The computer doesn't say lie, guys, so please subscribe to my channel, please. And yeah, I think that Python is easy, and I made this in Python because it's a lot easier than the same program in Java. So I think of making this, and then oh sorry, and then after a few days I'll probably make the Java tutorial for this same program. So yeah, let's get started. And this program is mainly about I hope that you have seen the famous scene from the Doctor Strange movie where for those who didn't see, let me just explain it to you. There is a planet eating demon called Dormammu, and there's a hero, Doctor Strange, who has control over time. He can do whatever he wants. Like he can bend time, he can create loops, and what happens that the Dormammu demon comes to eat Earth and all of its energy, and what our hero does is that he creates a loop in time, and he just goes and faces off with Dormammu, but eventually he dies like a million times, but he just keeps he just keeps repeating again and again. So eventually Dormammu gets so bored that he just doesn't want to eat Earth, and he just leaves Earth in peace. So we are going to recreate that program in Python, right? So it's interesting, so let's see the video. So basically the whole program is just a while loop, and we'll just create a while loop. So yeah, let's start. While Doctor Strange. Here Doctor Strange is a variable. So I created Doctor Strange variable because it's the Doctor Strange program. So you can create anything, Pizza Hut, anything, any name you want for the variable. I don't care. And while Doctor Strange is equal to 2 equal to, that's the syntax for Python, don't forget. Or else the computer will scold you. And kill. So now don't panic. I'll just explain it to you later. Kill. Print. This is the most famous line in the movie according to me. Dormammu. I think that's the spelling for Dormammu. Come to bargain. And that's it. And the next line is the last line of the program. Doctor Strange is equal to input, as I already said, input kill / leave. So yeah, that's the program for you guys. Let me just run. Oh, the computer scolds me because I made a mistake. I didn't declare the variable Doctor Strange. So let me just do that. Doctor Strange is equal to kill. The kill actually here is that whether we choose to kill or not. So by this time, if you guys are wondering what this program is all about, I had already told you. But this program makes us feel the sufferance by Dormammu. Like the millions of times Dormammu keeps facing off with Doctor Strange, and they both cannot escape that. So it just lets us feel the sufferance felt by Dormammu, right? So let me just run this. You can see here. Let me just make this big. Dormammu, I've come to bargain. Kill / leave. It's your decision. If you're very pitiful, you'll just leave him. But I'm going to kill him for the sake of coding. Kill. Just repeat again. Kill. Again. Again. Oh, I made a mistake, so it just got terminated. So let's just leave that there. And yeah. So this is the program itself. If you just want it to be like this, if you like it to be like this, you can just leave it here. But if you want some more like toppings, like cheese to a pizza, you may want to watch this video fully. So yeah, here I go again. So we probably want like to, if you've seen from like this, you can see that if as I printer the did I stutter? Yes, I did. If you actually press enter after typing kill, just instantaneously comes no, come to bargain, and that's not that much fun, right? So we're just going to add some like time gaps in between so that there will be some like expectation, eagerness to say. So I'm going to import time. Time is an important part of the Doctor Strange movie. Import time. That's it. And I'm just going to like place some time space here. Time dot sleep. I'm just going to leave this for 5 seconds, and this one time dot sleep for 5 seconds. Did I say 5 that? I don't know, probably. That's 2, and this is 5. Um, yes, that's it for this program. Stop and run. So we'll it just probably like leaves a time gap so that we will get more of an expectation. He may come anytime. Yes, he arrived again. Okay. He may come anytime now. Yes, there he is. I'm just going to leave him for now. Spare him for sake of coding. Yes, and the process is finished. So to make things even more interesting, like adding oregano or chili flakes to a pizza, there is one more thing, but that's a little bit big process. So just wait for a second. Maybe I'll just pause the video. So while you guys were away, I just watched the clip from the movie where he just faces off with Dormammu, and these are the things I found. These are the ways that Dormammu kills him, like he gets impaled by space rocks, like reduced atoms by cosmic wave, and crushed by you. You is actually Dormammu. Dormammu is actually us. We are actually Dormammu. It just goes on and on. And these are the ways he dies. And this is just a cool Easter egg you can add. Maybe. Yeah, that's a cool one. So yeah, now we are going to add a, if we just like kill and if he just comes again, it's not that much interesting, right? So we need a way to see how he's killed, right? So that's why I made this, and I'm going to import one more thing before going to the next step. Import random. Yes, smart computer. Import random, and yes, just after this I'm just going to leave a time dot sleep. I'm just going to leave this as a second, and here I'm going to do something called random dot choice bits. Yeah, so you can see that what this does is that from this thing is called a list. Actually, it just contains a bunch of objects, and what this code does here is that from this list it just picks like a specific element, and if you see now it obviously doesn't work because we are not printing it. So let me just add the print command, print, and one to the end, print that. Now we can see that let me just run it. I'm going to make this big. Kill. You can see that twisted by vines. And oh, I probably haven't left that much. And if I do kill again, you can see that crushed by asteroid. Every time you generate like kill, a different thing comes. Like unless you have unlimited characters, but it just generates a random thing like a different way each time he's killed. So yeah, that's it. But just to see like crushed by asteroid, we don't know who. Like our aim is to kill Doctor Strange, but it just shows crushed as asteroid. So it's just meaningless. So let me just add one thing here to make this program complete. Doctor dot strange and close it. So oh yes, and a plus to add these. So let me just rerun this. Stop and rerun. I'm going to zoom this. Kill Doctor Strange. Oh, I should add one more thing probably. Was yes, this is correct. Rerun now. Stop and rerun. So this. Kill. Yes. Oh, again, bad grammar. I don't know how, but Doctor Strange ate a pizza while you killed him, right? It's a cool thing by Doctor Strange. So yeah, guys, that's the program, and please subscribe to my channel to help me make more programs like this. And please like, comment, and share, just like the other YouTubers say. And yeah, I'll probably upload the Java version of this in a few days, I think. So that's it, guys. Thank you. Please subscribe. Bye. 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 Yes. Now bye. Thank you.